October 26, 2020 vocabulary. Directions: drag the red X on the vocabulary puzzle piece that does not belong. All right, so we have product, difference, sum, multiple, and quotient. All right, so let's see which one doesn't belong. Well, I know that a product is the answer to a multiplication problem. The difference, I know, is the answer to a subtraction problem. The sum is the answer to an addition problem. So far they're answers to some kind of problem. Quotient is an answer to a division problem. But multiple is not the answer to a certain problem. Multiple is just when you have your multiples, for example, multiples of 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So multiple is a number that can be divided evenly by another number. So that is not an answer to any kind of problem. So I am going to take this red X and I'm going to put it over multiple. And that is it for your vocabulary. Great job.